Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Read Aloud. To begin, simply open any PDF document within Adobe Acrobat Reader. Next, find the View menu located at the top of your screen. From there, select Read Out Loud, then click Activate Read Out Loud to enable the feature. An even quicker method is to use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl-Shift-Y if you are on a Windows machine, or Command-Shift-Y for Mac users. This instantly prepares your document for audio playback. Once activated, you have several options to control the narration. To hear the text from your current position to the end of that specific page, simply select Read this page only. If you prefer a continuous listening experience through your entire document, choose Read to the end of document. You can easily pause the narration at any moment by clicking Pause. When you are finished listening, select Stop from the menu, or press Ctrl-Shift-C for a quick halt. Personalizing your listening experience is straightforward with Adobe Read Aloud. To adjust the voice and speed, navigate to the Edit menu, then click Preferences, and finally select the Reading category. Here, you will find options to change the voice to any of the ones installed on your system. You can also fine-tune the speaking volume to match your environment. Furthermore, alter the words per minute to speed up or slow down the narration, finding your ideal pace. For the best results, always ensure your PDF document contains selectable text, as scanned images or complex formatting can sometimes prevent accurate reading. Using high-quality headphones can significantly improve audio clarity and your overall comprehension of the spoken content. Take some time to experiment with the different voices and speed settings across various documents. This will help you find the perfect configuration that suits your individual learning style and needs, making your reading experience much more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.